Morning folks, Kevin here. Well, it's May 21st, 2025. I'm out back with the shipping containers back here, and so yesterday I was able to get, after many challenges, able to get some of the sheets of plywood in here in this one shipping container. I've got to open up that door yet there, I see. And so I used the Eagle Power Broom and my hand broom to clean them off as best as possible. There's still a lot of moisture in them, but I wanted to get all the surface debris and mold off the surface. And I'm gonna come back and open up these doors. It's gonna rain today. It's gonna rain for 10 days. It's gonna start raining this afternoon. So I have a whole bunch more. There's a lot of wood, a lot of things that should go inside undercover, including tools. So yesterday I took the dump trailer over there, brought it around, backed it up to here, and unloaded the Solex. Did my best to clean this off. It's still pretty soaking wet, still draining down there. Then I took my 2x10s and stacked those here as well. And I'll probably put a pallet here and then start stacking some of this wood in here. Unfortunately, these doors don't accept a 8-foot wide sheets of plywood. So first thing I'm going to do is strip some of this stuff here that's saturated, soaking wet boards on top here that won't be salvaged. I'll put those on this. So this is what the used pallets look like, not the ones that were given to me by my brother Jim's friend John, but some of the ones you pick up used and all for free. So that's what a lot of them look like, which have been just pounded with nails and repaired multiple times, and they're really thin. There's no blocks on the corners like these ones here. These are the ones I bought. These ones work extremely well. Much heavier duty, but for putting some scrap wood on here, that'll do for now. So I'll strip down here a little ways and take these off, set it on top of the other scrap wood that I did yesterday, and then I'll try to get some of these boards inside of the shipping container on a pallet. So that's one of my goals, to do this morning before the rains come. So wish me luck.
Words can fly like scattered leaves in autumn winds, they twist and turn. Sometimes what needs to be expressed is in the silence we have learned. When tempers flare and voices rise, when arguments begin to build, there's wisdom in a moment's pause, a breath that lets the storm be still. Sometimes it's best to be quiet and smile. Let peace have its moment to breathe. Sometimes the strongest thing you can do is hold your words and just believe that kindness speaks in gentle ways beyond what any words could say. Sometimes it's best to be quiet and smile and let the moment find its way. Not every thought needs to be shared, not every wrong needs to be right. There's beauty in restraint sometimes, like stars that gently grace the night. In quiet confidence you stand while chaos swirls and others shout. The wisest souls have always known what true strength is really about. Sometimes it's best to be quiet and smile. Let peace have its moment to breathe. Sometimes the strongest thing you can do is hold your words and just believe that kindness speaks in gentle ways beyond what any words could say. Sometimes it's best to be quiet and smile and let the moment find its way. It's not surrender, not defeat. defeat, but choosing battles worth the fight. It's knowing when the gift you give is simply presence, calm and bright. The gentle power of restraint, the grace of silence freely given. When you could speak but choose instead to let compassion be your wisdom. Sometimes it's best to be quiet and smile. Let peace have its moment to breathe. Sometimes the strongest thing you can do is hold your words and just believe that kindness speaks in gentle ways beyond what any words could say. Sometimes it's best to be quiet and smile and let love have the final say. Sometimes it's best to be quiet and smile and let the heart find its own way. They'll say it's too hard, they'll say walk away. But I've carried this fire through the darkest days. It started as a whisper, now it's my roar. What I believe in is worth fighting for. I've stumbled and bled, been pushed to the ground. The truth's not a thing you can silence or drown. So I hold the line, I stand my ground. Through storms and silence I won't back down. When you know deep inside what you're fighting for, you don't turn around, you knock on that door. It's not just a dream, it's the fire in the fight. Never give up on what you know is right. I've seen people fold, seen the strong turn weak, but I've also seen hope rise up from defeat. This road isn't easy, it cuts to the bone, but I'd rather stand here than stand all alone. They might not believe, they might roll their eyes, but faith is a power that never dies. So I hold the line, I stand my ground. Through storms and silence I won't back down. When you know deep inside what you're fighting for, you don't turn around, you knock on that door. It's not just a dream, it's the fire in the fight. Never give up on what you know is right. They can laugh, they can doubt, but they'll never wear me out. 'Cause the truth I carry shines through the night, and it gives me strength when I've lost my sight. So I hold the line, I stand my ground. My heart beats steady, no fear in the sound. When you know deep inside what you're fighting for, you don't count the cost, you open that door. It's not just a dream, it's the flame and the light. Never give up on what you know is right. Got a box of memories tucked in the back of my mind. Lessons from the hard days, the mountains I had to climb. Every scar and stumble, every tear I've cried, built the strength I carry now, the wisdom deep inside. The past is my teacher, carved in stone and rain. The present is a treasure, in sunshine or in pain. The future lights the fire that keeps my spirit free. I'm walking through time with hope in front of me. I don't live in regret, I don't fear what's to come. Each moment is a heartbeat, each breath a beating drum. I'm grateful for today, for the now I get to hold, and tomorrow's dreams, they keep me feeling bold. The past is my teacher, carved in stone and rain. The present is a treasure, in sunshine or in pain. The future lights the fire that keeps my spirit free. I'm walking through time with hope in front of me. So I'll learn, I'll live, and I'll reach for the sky. I'll stand in the moment, let the days go by, with lessons in my pocket and dreams in my hand. I'll build a life that I truly understand. The past is my teacher, carved in stone and rain. The present is a treasure, in sunshine or in pain. The future lights the fire that keeps my spirit free. I'm walking through time, just being me. Looking back through the years gone by, old photographs, memories that don't lie. Children once played beneath open skies, now hunched over screens with vacant eyes. The health declining day by day, while we just look the other way. We need to wake up, take a stand, rebuild the heart of this promised land. Turn off the noise, speak face to face, rediscover our common grace. America's reflection isn't set in stone. Time to remember, we're not alone. Media spinning tales half true, choosing sides on what to pursue. Social networks trap us in tribes, echo chambers where truth subsides. Our kids growing weaker in body and mind, while genuine connections hard to find. We need to wake up, take a stand, rebuild the heart of this promised land. Turn off the noise, speak face to face, rediscover our common grace. America's reflection isn't set in stone. Time to remember, we're not alone. It starts with us in our homes, teaching values, putting down phones, moving our bodies, sharing a meal, having conversations that help us heal. Listen to others with different views, finding common ground in what we choose. So let's wake up, take that stand, rebuild the heart of this promised land. Turn off the noise, speak face to face, rediscover our common grace. America's reflection we can still renew.
Okay, it's starting to sprinkle some here now, and we got Doppler shows. We're going to be hit pretty hard here in a few minutes, so lots of rain, so I'll have to close things up. But these were the sheets of plywood that I got in here yesterday. A lot of work to be done with those yet. Just went up front and got the 2x2s that were out behind the shop and all. You see everything's still soaking wet, even though it didn't rain yesterday or today. And these were pallets that were behind the workshop near pond 4. And so I got these ones up in here today. So happy about getting those things here. So yes, and I got some more wood over in the other shipping container. So come around here. Time to close up all these doors. I try to open them up to get as much ventilation in here as possible because everything's so darn wet. So yesterday I got the Solex in here, right up in there, and those 2x10s. Today I got it's a mixture of, there's 3/4 inch plywood, there's some 1/2 inch plywood, there's some of this Georgia specific stuff that's supposed to be rot resistant and all. Got some T111 here, got some of the 1x, lots of 1x, some hemlock, there's some cedar in there, and there's some of my pine shelving boards in there as well. We got an oak railings in here, got some more cedar here as well, and some T111 and other boards there as well. Got more of the Solex in, got some of the columns in as well. Just trying to get the air flowing in these containers to dry everything out. So pretty happy with what I did get done today, considering it's going to be a rain day here in a couple of minutes. So I'm going to close things up, and I may go and see if I can get another pallet of totes. I don't know. Since it's going to rain, might as well do something that could be functional and help out around here. So I really do appreciate everyone's comments and your thumbs up, your suggestions and your support. That really helps out a lot. We really appreciate it. And I hope everybody's going to have a good, safe week. And I hope you're staying safe, and take care. Bye-bye now.